Good morning, everyone. Welcome again to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be doing stewed chicken. So to begin, I'm going to clean and wash the chicken. As we go along, I'll explain. So this is 2 pounds of chicken. Fill the bowl with water. You are using lemon to wash your chicken in the beginning. Okay, I did the first washing. I removed all the skin, all the little brown that's in it. So I'm doing a second wash with more lemon, more lime. You squeeze it in the water and you rub it on your chicken. This is the last wash, and I add quarter cup of vinegar and I rinse the chicken. Now that your chicken has been washed and cleaned, you are now going to season it. We are using half tablespoon of salt, 2 pounds of chicken, 2 tablespoons of seasoning to go, half cup of green seasoning, and you mix. I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of ground red pepper flakes. Now the other ingredients that you see on the table here is half cup of onion, 1 cup of red and yellow sweet pepper, 1 cup of chopped tomato, and 1 packet of complete seasoning, Maggie's complete seasoning. These and also half a teaspoon of allspice, berries. These you are going to put into your pot when it is halfway done. Okay, so when you have already seasoned your chicken can be marinated overnight or for a couple of hours for the seasoning to sink in. But for viewing purposes, I'm going to show you how to cook it right now. There are two ways to brown chicken, with browning or burnt sugar. I'm doing the burnt sugar method, and in a follow-up video, I will show you how to make your own browning. So a hot pot on medium heat, we add 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Let that heat up until it gets liquid and dark brown. Okay, now as you can see, the sugar is liquid. We are going to allow it to turn a little darker. Okay, so this is the color that you want your sugar. You are now going to add your chicken to this color, and you're going to stir it. Do not add any water to this. You are going to make sure that the chicken has taken the brown color of the caramelized sugar before you add any water. So you are going to allow this now to dry down for the chicken to take the color of the brown sugar. Now you can see your chicken is brown all over. You are going to add the last bit of your seasoning that was left in the bowl, and you're going to add 1.5 cups of water. You're going to add half a teaspoon of allspice, 1 cup of sweet peppers, half cup of onion, 1 pack of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, 1 cup of tomatoes, and cover your pot and let it simmer on low heat. We let the chicken simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you taste, add salt if needed. Let it simmer for an additional 15 minutes or until the gravy is reduced to half what it is in the pot.